Rios Restaurant in Ocho Rios. Oh my god, it's so nice. Really? Yes, and see the fish them here. Look for them nice and fresh fish. What?
Yeah, but all women fight. Women back then fight for equality. No, only equal. So
We're not equal, so we're not even at 10,000.
Minus 10,000. I
Why one fish cost $10,000?
Oh my god, this is so nice. Hey guys, it's me. It's your girl from Oneyardie. So today I'm eating what's the name of the restaurant? I don't even know the name of the restaurant. Restaurant in Ocho Rios. Oh my god, it's so nice. Well, it's kind of late now because we get into Ocho very late. So we stopped by. So I'm gonna check them out. Restaurant. It's a very nice. Yes, and see the fish them here. Look for them nice and fresh fish.
Yes.
Why is it that a woman has to go to work, right? Take care of the kids, or some of us don't have kids. Clean the house, cook dinner. Mind you, she go to work just like the man, but the man will come in and he will just take a shower and sit in the chair and watch TV, and the woman have to come home and do all of that, then after do the after hours work. Make it make sense.
That's why.
The only reason why that
Make it make sense.
The only reason why that happens because woman complain too much. If you never complain so much about everything, a man will come in and gladly do what he have to do.
And what
But
is
it no
that?
matter what we do, we don't complain and criticize.
I feel that they should be even. Like, if I cook today, you cook tomorrow. It's not fair for the woman to go to work just like the man and have to come home and do all the cooking, all the cleaning and everything. No, that meaning that the woman should make time for the other stuff, because the woman should decide when that other stuff is given, because he don't want to do anything, right? Y'all agree with me? I know.
You talking some crap over there.
You know, my wife did that for years.
Right?
No,
Cook,
she did it
clean,
for
and do
years.
everything. It's too much.
She got sick of it.
It's too much.
Too much
It
work.
should. Okay, if she didn't work, that's her job to do everything. But the moment that woman have to get up, and I see people at my job having that problem right now, where they have the kids and they're so overwhelmed.
Yeah.
They even have a child that is challenged, and she have to go to work, stand on her feet sometimes for 18-16 hours. She have to go home, take care of that kid, do everything. And I see where she burned out, and she was literally screaming like she came and just like, I can't do it anymore. She's like, he does nothing.
It's called the American dream.
What American dream? A woman should do that, but in those days, a woman didn't work. So the woman had to do the housework, because guess what?
Yeah, but all women fight. Women back then fight for equality. No, only equal. So
We're not
why
equal,
complain?
so we're not equal, because it should. If it's equal, that they should share some of the chores.
You know, my wife did it there for many, many years.
Thank you.
And she got sick of me, you know, for not helping. And
It do. I'm telling you, it do pisses you off.
Sometimes I help for a little while and then I go back to not doing, and you know, she got sick of it. I mean, I understand. I understand.
You cannot say that.
I understand.
You
But to be honest
know
with
what my
you-
kids call him? One Direction.
Yeah.
His kids them call him One Direction. One Direction, right? That's your name, right? One Direction. So my granddaughter go, Maurice is lazy.
Is what?
Maurice is lazy.
Lazy.
He said, Maurice, you need to clean up, Maurice. You need to clean up, Maurice. clean up my week. And I said, yeah, Lisa, he's there. He said, oh no, Grandma, my week is David, but I love him. I love him.
If you don't do 1 hour, what me do?
If you do 1 hour of my job, you can even do 5 minutes of my job.
5 seconds.
Not even 5 seconds. Your back kill you. I lift up man heavier than you.
I throw them on him back and walk him down.
Heavier than you. Taller than you. When me lift up the man, look now see me. Because there's body mechanics says he can't help himself, so I have to know how to. Or you put them on the machine and to turn that machine. Let me tell you, I feel it in my cucurutos. You don't know. Don't take a day out of my book. Take you with my shoes, honey bunny, and you will see. You use this. I use this. Look at this gun.
Use both.
Look at this gun. Look at this guns right here. Look at this guns here. Look at this right here. You call it guns. What I'm saying to all the ladies out there and all the men, help your wife. Help her.
I think if I have kids now, at
Help
my
her.
age
It's
now,
not
I think I would
a lot of women. You and this kid. You even got to sit down with this kid.
Yo, you know what I love, bro? You know what I love? When kids are young and I fall asleep
With them
and they fall asleep.
Oh, look at them, Slana. Look at them.
I miss that, bro.
When you reach 5-year-old guy, your mama.
Yeah, but regardless, what I'm saying, I miss that, bro. I miss that, man. My kids fall
miss it
asleep on
too.
my chest.
I miss my kids falling asleep on my chest. I miss it a
I'm
lot.
telling you, man.
No, I ain't going back there, bro.
No?
Nope. Nope, I'm done. Done with
No,
all
if
that.
it happened, bro,
I used to say,
I'll take my
when I say I'm
grandkids now,
selfish,
put
when
them
I
on
say
my chest, put them to
I-
sleep.
yeah.
never
And when
want
we get
kids,
fed
or
up,
I never really, you know, I'm glad I'm blessed with 2, but I don't think if I didn't have my kids, I would have had kids.
No? Talking about it.
Growing up, I never wanted kids.
Yeah.
I think that traumatized from my mom with all the kids and just traumatized. That's why I was telling my uncle the other day when they were traumatizing the little girl to bathe the brother. It's not her responsibility to bathe her brother.
Yeah.
You made that choice to have all these kids. Why you put that burden on her?
Yeah.
Why she have to be the one to bathe her brother?
Well, you know, the last generation and this generation of kids, it's totally different.
Exactly.
Totally different. This generation of kids is like, yo, stop that. No. You know, stuff like that. No.
Yo.
Keep that down, man. Some
But-
people make it myself in trouble. You know,
But still, if I'm a mother and I'm not gonna tell my teenage daughter to take care of my kids.
Because
And
that's
that
basically,
traumatized me.
yeah, because when I you know, at one point when I want, you know, my wife to have more kids, you know, and I was saying, you know, she was, you know, like she don't have time for all of that, blah blah blah. And I said, oh, but you have my son and my daughter, they can help, you know what I'm saying? Like, huh? You're there.
They're not doing it.
They don't want no brother, they don't want no sister.
They're not doing it. They're not doing it. No.
No, they don't want no damn. Are you crazy?
No, they don't want it. And that's why she hit her daughter. She was literally hitting her daughter because her daughter told her, no, I'm not doing it. It's not her responsibility to wash her brother. If she's nice about it and she want to do it, because that's how we grow up, the mentality, oh, we have to come home from school, we have to make sure, cook for our brothers and sisters, clean for our brothers and sisters. And that traumatized me. So I was like, I grew up doing it for my brothers and sisters. I don't want to have that problem doing it again. So I think that's why the generation nowadays don't even want to have kids. Because their parents traumatize them with taking care of their brothers and sisters. So they said, I ain't doing that. Because they already get traumatized from doing it, so they don't want to do it anymore. And you're literally beating your daughter to take care of your problem. It's not her problem, it's your problem.
That's not fair.
It's not fair to her. She's let her be a teenager. Let her be goofy. Let her do whatever. But basically you're telling her to be a mom before time. You're putting her out there to say, well, you need to be a mother. You need to be no, it's not right. You're literally telling her to go get a man, have a child. I know she's gonna say, oh, I take care of Max. I could have a baby. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right, and I'm sorry to who and all those grown ass men's over age in their 60s wanna have baby, think about the child, and said to me, at my age, at 60, you're running off Brata. The battery is dying. So what about when that child, you're not there anymore for that child, something happened, what is that child going to be doing? That child not going to have to think about that before you get somebody pregnant. Thank you.
But you know what I think about though? I think
Look at this, perfect example. Look at Grandpa sleeping. Perfect example. It is, look, it is past his bedtime.
Hey, we don't sleep much, so. But you know, but you know what you know what it is I think about though. I would hate for the fact, for example, you see if I retire Maurice and say I pass away or something like that, and I'm divorced, and my pension just go down the drain like that, and there's no one to collect anything after it's gone. I want to have a kid at least, bro. I'm telling you, man. If it's even to adopt somebody.
But the existing kids.
Adapt one.
No, they can't.
Nobody get it.
Up to a certain age, I think.
Nobody,
no,
after 18, they don't get it.
They can't.
Nobody
if
get
your
it.
wife is there,
they can get
well, up to 20, they can be on your insurance.
It's 18.
That's for your insurance.
It's 18.
That's for your
Even
insurance.
Social Security is 18.
That's
Whether
right.
they're going to college or not, they cut out. You need to read the fine print
Yeah, but
and know the
for
rights.
insurance, it's up to 26. But as far as your pension, though, you know what I'm saying? It's your wife will continue getting it. But what I'm saying, though, I wouldn't mind having a kid, receive 1 or 2 if I'm gone, bro. Because it's tough. Just thinking about it pisses me off that you work all your damn life for so many years. And then all that, you know.
Welcome to the American dream.
You know what I'm saying? It's like a big con, bro.
Yep.
It's like a big con. You know what I'm saying?
And
you tax so fucking much. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's not for you to keep the money, you know. It's for you to get it and just spend it back. Yo, listen, man. Which part you said the place right there now? Cayman? If I go to Cayman,
I'm telling you.
without the blood, no tax, I make up the money.
Hey man, like if you get somebody, you know, you go there and you know somebody contract, yo, you nice. How much people go there and come back and work a year and just build their house? And cash money.
Cash money.
You have got Cayman, boss? 6,000?
Yeah, I'm spoiled.
You buy the big one too?
I'm spoiled.
That's a fat fish. $6 fish. That's $100 already. How much can I say that?
Did I ask you for any money?
Well, you're not going to spend more than 200, right? That's it.
I'm just spending 40. What? Fee my 10,000.
Mine is 10,000. I'll go
Wait, I want to shout
$60.
again.
Lad. I don't know, make it
Let us
look
see a
so
shot.
bad,
Let us see a shot.
Everybody for every shot, go spin them.
What is this, Lado?
But everybody for the company, we're nice.
boy. No, you can't buy it. Now look up.
So what are you going to want Airbnb and buy some fish and go steam?
The big fish is long alligator pan. The lady said 5,000 for the big fish, man. The big one is
You see here, look now.
same big.
Lord have mercy. Yeah?
5,000 for him.
So wonder how much them sell it for you, so?
5,000.
But sell it, Maurice, tell them I make a mean steam fish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can give you that.
Gee,
I make your steam fish, you will never want to eat that fish again.
Yeah.
the episode I share before I eat and left.
Tell him about my mean steam fish.
Oh my
I make
God.
nice fish too. I
No,
make
you
that.
can't hold
Because,
it.
you know what it
do
is?
a showdown?
No, not really.
You know,
I don't do it all the time.
No,
but you know
I'm
what it
telling
is?
you, you
I
do
clean
it.
my fish very good. With my
Yeah.
lemon, I soak
but I
it,
see-
you know,
one-
a little vinegar
I see,
also in
one
the
fish
water.
cost
You know,
$10
I clean my fish very good.
I know, honey, but I said I love to do, I like a challenge. I
Yeah?
love to challenge.
Why one fish cost $10,000?
The buy pum pum?
Yeah.
Why one pum pum?
You don't do it all the time, right? Just once in a while.
Once a while.
Once in a while.
So buy pum pum? Why the man tell Andrew only say pum pum I get too
I
pricey.
get too pricey though.
You say that?
You didn't see the video?
No,
The
listen.
guy telling asking Andrew Wallace saying to Andrew Wallace, Bossy, bro God, you know me have one problem, you know. The woman them don't hand over and sell the pussy too much money.
Too
you know.
money, I know.
So bro God go. He was dying.
Wait, he asked him a live question?
Yes.
Are you serious?
He didn't even know how to respond.
I don't respond to that.
Are you serious?
He just go.
I get out of my face.
He said, conduct yourself, man.
Yo, are you serious?
And he was dying.
Yeah.
He was laughing.
Broke up.
He couldn't help it but
Yeah.
turn around and laugh.
Are you serious?
Conduct yourself, man.
Then he turned around.
He sound like he said, go fuck yourself.
Oh man.
I'm that's why they said he one of the coolest prime minister because he is down to
He's one
earth.
of the coolest prime ministers
He's
around
one
this
of the
country
coolest.
ever get.
I'm telling you, he's cool. He's like,
You know, we relate to people.
you know, get all stuck up and
You know, old and grumpy.
Yeah, and most of the time him not in a suit, him just in a regular clothes. Yeah. That me kinda like about him. You know,
and
always,
sometimes he put on the water
uptight.
boot, you know, and he tap out, you know, you don't care, you know.
Yeah.
But again,
No,
he's-
him seem like him.
But
you know,
hello.
regular guy.
And him come down there one day, you know. Really that fall and him come off everybody face. And he look at me and say, you so serious over there, so I said, to me a PNB, man. And he laugh. He said, come on, man, come by bar, look at a drink. No, I don't know.
Huh?
so no,
Why?
a whole grudge.
Huh? Where I will not PNBG.
So what are
Yeah,
you
but what
going
have
to
to
do
do
with
with
the
having a
person?
drink and have a conversation?
That don't mean nothing.
Sheep don't walk in wolf clothes.
No, y'all Jamaican take this thing to a different level. No, man,
I
they take this thing to a
want a
different
reason
level,
with you.
man.
Sheep don't put on wolf clothes, they will get eaten.
But then Jamaican take this politics to another
serious,
too
yeah.
serious,
Too
man.
serious.
At the end of the day, he's your present prime minister right
Take
now.
my politics serious.
Don't take it that serious, because one of them are the same thing. Don't take it that serious.
Him the PNB until me dead.
No, don't take it that serious. You know why you're coming like a Republican that, you know.
I ain't changing.
I'm not saying to change, I'm saying to, I mean,
Switch.
yeah, when I say if you switch talking to him, don't mean that you're switching.
It's a decent size, not bad. Look good too.
Mini shark.
A mini shark.
Hey.
So yes, guys, I get my food and look at it. My
But gee, if you was
$6,000
going all out
fish.
where you get that, might as well you didn't get the damn
$10,000.
no the bommy.
I know, I wasn't going all, I wasn't paying extra, honey.
Yeah, but the thing is though, isn't that supposed to be complimentary with the crackers?
yeah, that
so
come.
You're supposed to get the crackers and the bommy.
No,
If you
I'm
pay
not gonna
extra for
eat.
it.
No, I'm
No,
not.
I'm saying if you're paying
Your plate is supposed to eat the crackers.
and the
Yeah, you're supposed to get the crackers. Yeah,
And
because you take an add, you add that to it, so they rob you.
yeah, so
Hey, like no crackers.
them take away food to give me food
Yeah,
and charge me for
that don't make no sense. So where are his crackers? If the complimentary, if it's complimentary,
Rice and crackers
that's an
complimentary.
extra he took.
So they complimentary, you know.
Yeah.
He didn't want any crackers or any rice.
Oh,
So
no.
he ordered bami and green plantain.
Where the plant in there?
Oh God.
Okay.
Oh my
Word
word.
of mercy. Them know me love fish, so. And the fish look big and nice, so might as well me enjoy it.
Yeah, you're right there,
Lord
so.
of mercy. You take off me at this time.
Yeah, you should take the hat off for that.
Guys,
Bless your food.
I forgot to remember that one there, so. Yeah, take a picture of it. And I said, boy, this is the $60 fish from eating wood shop.
Got it.
Yeah, me not usually take picture, man. I forgot to take picture this time.
Come got it right here.
And
Look at
not
look at
because
that.
of food,
What's
right?
your name again?
Got it.
What?
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Is that everything for you guys? Need anything else to drink?
Look how many
Nah, you know what it is? The beer kind of turned me off. I don't like little beer. The Heineken thing, they look too, I don't know. I'm trying to, I don't want to give you a hard time. I'll leave you alone.
All right, y'all enjoy.
All right,
Thank you.
I usually get into them as an answer, but still, I forgot to say, okay. Lord have mercy. That food I want to. And hide the food, marriage.
How is it, hon?
Hide the food with your
How is the
glass.
food?
So I'll give it like a 70.
Not bad.
70.
Not bad.
Maybe 75.
Yeah? I will never go to more
My girl at Almond Tree, her food turn up.
Mm-hmm. She changed the name to crayfish.
Nice though.
She changed it to crayfish crayfish Wednesday, saying name set up.
Crayfish Wednesday. Full name.
Yes, nice still. Sauce thick and nice. Yes,
Fish
nice.
The fish is very fresh.
Yeah, man.
Could tell this fish is caught today.
This planting is done,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay.
Yeah, the planting is done. It's like,
The
it's not hard.
planting.
It's not hard, it's just nice and soft.
Oh my God, it's you're right. The
The planting is very nice. I think it's very,
Pumpkin very thick though.
thick nice still. That fish not going to eat everything on it.
Bone and everything.
The fish is so fresh. It's good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really enjoying the fish because it you know steel, you know it does like it does catch today.
Yeah. That was a selling point, you forgot?
That was her sales pitch. Fresh.
And when the fish is not fresh, you don't get that same taste when it's, you know. And I always ask the question, is it local fish or is it the frozen fish? Because I do not eat frozen fish, whether yard or abroad. You know what they will do? They will sell you the frozen fish for the same money as the sea fish.
If you don't know.
But some people can't tell the difference. I don't think I could tell the difference.
On the
I remember they did it to me
Why the
by
eye fish?
Ocean 11, and I asked her. I said, "Is it local?" She said, "It's local." When she bring it, I said, "That fish is not local."
Everybody eye. Frozen fish eye can.
But then again, most Jamaicans take foreigners for idiots anyway. And it's true. They literally take us for idiots, right? Garnet? No, he think I'm joking.
Every time I come, I laugh at them.
Remember the guy that was telling us the what do you call that in the Senapad?
For $2,000.
A pack of Senapad for $2,000.
And then I was buying that to me come there. I tell him something bad what.
Run your friend.
When he realized I'm a rough Jamaican, he take for himself, man.
He went and buy it in the pharmacy
$300.
for $300 and was trying to sell us for $2,000.
Wow.
Yeah, the pumpkin is good, Slaughter.
Very.
But they could have cut off his skin kind of hard.
Over. I get 2 feet.
I like pumpkin skin, but you can't eat that one, yeah.
And that's hard.
It's tough, man.
And I guarantee their mashed potatoes is the box mashed potato.
Yeah, mashed potato in there.
Yeah.
Funny thing is, me have the fish from Moby in my head. But the fish still tastes good still.
I think I'm over here again.
When you again, sir?
I'm over here,
They are Lily. I say
Lilliput.
actually Chilani in know.
Lilliput.
That's Chilani. No?
Lilliput that gone.
So what Chilani start from?
Lilliput that Montego Bay. Montego Bay, Lilliput. All I made that St. James. Don't know call the whole of St. James Montego Bay. You want to know?
Yeah, everywhere that St. James and Montego Bay. So the night when we went there, Garnet, oh my God, it was so nice. There were band playing.
Oh, okay.
But for him, wife, Jesus, he just came, he just said me ready.
Salty.
Now call on him. The human mouth, yeah.
Why?
Jesus.
Why?
Just miserable.
Deer fish, apa?
Deer fish?
Me buy one rotted lobster, you see, man, and then start deal with it. The lobster big. It was tough coconut lobster.
Some water.
No. Seriously, the hardest fish. You not taste nothing like no little rawness.
Rawness, yeah, I'm telling you, it's so, yep, I ain't gonna lie. Me give that to them. If fish, and if fish, it prepares just right, and they...
No, it could have used a little more pepper.
Yeah?
In a mild, could have. But
The fish
nice,
is well
very
clean,
nice,
they clean it
But
properly.
that's what I say, clean, the fish, yeah.
You know, the chef a breakdown. You have steamed fish in just one pot.
I give you no trouble.
I just like the freshness, and it's not over seasoned, it's not under seasoned.
Good.
Boy, I got it loving steamed fish, boy. But he just stuck on the one in Montego Bay. Maybe you should stay in
Lilliput.
Lilliput.
Maybe I tell you the first one made when we come around.
I
But
know.
it tastes good though. But this tastes very good. Plus also the girl with it out there, the young lady.
Did you guys see her the other day?
Yeah, she give me a number too.
The same
You
for
see
the
her
girl.
for the girl? She remember, you know?
Yeah. Remember, man.
Yeah, what do you mean you remember you?
I give her so much trouble that day then.
Yeah.
Rough, man. Come catch on the command right.
May I tell you?
Money advance for everything.
Yeah.
Cool still.
Maurice eat half in food. Sort of.
I want to say the pumpkin skin tough. The pumpkin skin just...
I record this day. Record set and broken.
I don't know if eating from when? 2 days now? 2 days now, no decent food. I'm not street food. But this is close to home cooked meal, so never eat it.
Oh. I guess I can't wait to go back home, right?
To be pampered.
Left the my mom left the meat in that fish fridge. Fish without me be saying, what? That you know do? Did that get cooked tonight?
Cook on food by now. It's got Sabrina. Is it Sabrina? That's also FMN.
Sugar made into.
That's a mistake away from him.
No strawberry in it. Pea sugar. With flavor.
What's going? Syrup, man.
That's a mistake. That's a mistake away from him.
He done did it. That's syrup already.
This is actually heart healthy. Doctor encourage you to drink one of this.
You should drink almost 6 every day.
Every day? Sometimes I drink maybe 2 at evening time. Me drinking is an Heineken.
Every evening I come from work and I'm still happy with them, you know. Drink at least 6. We just start drinking from 6 o'clock in the evening to 10 o'clock at night.
Jamaican man say do something to them.
Roger, I know you call me. Nah, I'm gonna read again, no boy. What was your name again? Yo. Fuck. Yo. No.
You change your mind?
You change your mind?
No, I already made every time I wait for them to come from church.
Wait, man.
Sometime in about me, I have to wait to pick up baby.
After 10 no man. Wait no man. I go sleep no man.
Alright, maybe show my face and turn back then.
If you didn't touch the road already, I don't come with you, but we are going too late now.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come on. You should them do it worse, Maurice. Garnet out.
Whoa.
Garnet.
You know, to be honest with you, even though me I say, you pick expensive, me actually would have come out and buy it.
I would.
No, not everyday thing, but I still come out.
That's how I feel. Guys, the food is delicious. I'm not gonna lie.
That still come out away.
It's a little bit pricey, but the fish is fresh, freshly caught. It is delicious. It's very tasty. Not over seasoned, not under seasoned. I mean, it's on point. Okay. And the name of the restaurant is again?
Jangali.
Jangali. I'm showing you how sweet it be.
Now Ochie, close to the ship dock.
What's that 10 milligram and 9.2?
Yeah, man.
You see them, you see that give them 7.
For the price.
It's not the price. I mean, I eat a lot of places and it's all company 7. My darling, almond tree, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Every time we taste our food, man, yo, bad man.
I free our
What you
food
say
I have
she name?
last night.
What you said in name again? They shouldn't buy it last night and they show you come from.
Oh, yeah?
Crayfish Wednesday?
Wednesdays.
Wednesdays. Or maybe is a special night. Wednesday
That's the
night.
name.
Crayfish Wednesdays. The Wednesdays, no, Wednesdays.
Oh, not Wednesday, Wednesdays.
Wednesdays.
Our food are the best we ever have.
Yeah?
As per seafood.
Yeah.
Whoa. Need water.
$200 for your water.
You know, here, man, if you have it. Brother, man, should put it already, man.
Okay, man? No, look here.
I'll go and get recycled.
Go and get recycled.
Look here. Man, look there. There. Oh, this is beautiful, guys.
Oh, I appreciate eating.
And the name, it's so good. Yes, the food is good. It's good. Jangali Restaurant. The food is good. Yes, there. And as you can see that, I don't know if you guys are seeing it, that ocean level right there. And the water, look, well, I can see it, it's dark. And Margaritaville, oh God. Beautiful. Thank you.
Eat whatever with the fish.
Eh?
You spoil the fish.
Me?
I don't really eat the fish.
When I take come it's mine, it's 5 o'clock my time.
Yeah. Daddy, half a fish is
Half a fish?
yeah. Oh my God.
Are you guys okay?
I must say one thing. I would say kudos to the chef. And
You're 7.5.
yes, we gave you an 8. I gave you an 8, and the food.
You
is
will eat more even though it's
tasty.
expensive.
The only problem I find with it is a little bit pricey, but otherwise it tastes very good. It's almost reminds me of my mother cooking.
Oh wow.
It's delicious.
You guys enjoyed it.
And it's fresh. We taste the freshness in the fish, and I like that. That gives me
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Love the freshness in the fish. It's like I'm tasting a piece of Jamaica. You know, but you know,
Raw, could have a little more pepper.
whether I go yard or abroad,
Tell yourself the next time.
They can
put
change.
pepper a little more.
The only thing for
Is it-
part, the only part me have,
Yeah.
put your pocket on there. Put your pocket on there. Make you want to go more out
it's
when you
delicious.
come.
I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Just one water. This one.
Well, one thing with me, when me food when I like, me can't drink. I want to keep the taste in my mouth. That's the only problem.
Right, that's
Why not put it right now? I want to keep the taste.
You want to keep the taste.
Yeah.
You don't want to take that taste out, right? That's so.
I fish taste.
Mr. Harley done. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, this is so nice. Oh my God. This is so nice. It's cute. Very cute.
Bugle, you know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we got Barney on TV, and that if you look on, that if you make your eyes them hook on. Barney on TV, okay.